seal. Three knots spin a thread so coarse. Fates of men and gods they weave. The fairest maid in all the kingdom, hair of silver, snow and ice, lives in the heart of every warrior, but one filled her heart's desires with a fever of love's fire. The course of true love never did run smooth. How much longer can they endure life apart, bitter youth, lost in a land of 1,000 forests, far away from her true love. He kissed her lips so pale and rosy, she dreams till the sun rises up, and then daylight blinds her heart. With a fever of love.